good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your direction. Yes, all of us don't see what happened yesterday pertaining the election cases when be they inside court of appeal according to the politicians when they Nigeria. They say the case they for court of appeal. Then the same case now yesterday we say court not agree with LP. They not agree with Atiku Abubakar. They not agree with other political parties based on their petition. In fact, they court claim say all the whole petitions when they brought against the president of Nigeria when be Bola Ahmed Tinubu. See all the whole petition now worthless petition and a meaningless petition. They don't want to see. But ladies and gentlemen, not be only that thing what they do to these particular people. When be LP, Atiku Abubakar, and other political parties. We are going to get into that very, very soon. But first, make we talk about some group of, according to them, they say them be prominent Nigerians. Somebody like Okimbaloye. Somebody like Ojus Okalo, somebody like Festus Keyamo, and a lot of them. In fact, the news that let us know say what they do yesterday in the court when we say all of them fall asleep during the proceedings of the court. I can say sure, these young men, all of them fall asleep in the court. Now they say they don't already know the outcome of the case. But not forget, say Festus Keyamo right now, I be the Minister of Aviation. Now the position when they don't court give that one. So we never know the one when they don't court give Okimbaloye. The other guy when be Ojus Okalo too, they don't already the court position they give her. So I can say, well, the reason why when all these people fall asleep in the court, because they know say the court no go against Bola Ahmed Tinubu. They already know say the case don't conclude. They already know say, man, the case is in their favor. There is no way when then go, that is Peter Obi or Atiku Abubakar go get victory in the court. That is why they sleep, because they know say they don't already know what they do at the back doors. They don't care about Nigeria, ladies and gentlemen, now about their power when these people they care about their power. Recently, we don't hear now say Festus Keyamo when I done they show power based on the things when in done the nyan already for public. Say nothing they go do in time to come. Very, very soon. See they go close Lagos International Airport. They go close up completely. They make the move already. This one not be a hidden agenda again. The reason, according to Keyamo and his group, say they want to renovate the Lagos International Airport. That is the reason why they want to close it. Wake them, they that side, they do their own. A lot of them. Remember, the same people, when during the Buhari's administration, now they still there now. Only they flip their positions where they were before, where they are running shows before. Like Wike was governor on our bed today. Wike a minister under the same Bola Tinubu. This one a man when don't deny before say no work for Bola Ahmed Tinubu. But now in don't they claim say in they work for Bola Ahmed Tinubu and he still be PDP. That is wicked. So these men, when we just call their names, when they tell us, news they tell us, say all of them, say they fall asleep. Reason why? Now because see, they know say nothing for LP, nothing for PDP, nothing for any other political party. So we want to talk a little bit about how the court they come to this conclusion. See, Bola Ahmed Tinubu say na him win the election. Remember, more than half of Nigerians, and gentlemen, according to the news, then vote for Peter Obi. Funky did not did when they cast the vote. Now waiting the news from Nigeria, they talk be that. With all the whole allegations when they pile up against the president, when Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Today, the court say all those allegations, none of them make sense against the man. That is power for you. In fact, why the court, them Peter Obi, them Atiku and his group, them all those people when sue the president. When they do what they do in Nigeria, the president they another country with other presidents. Because he already know the outcome. They don't already do the homework long time, even before Bola Ahmed Tinubu become president of Nigeria. They don't already do the grand work finish. Say no matter where Nigerian guys then come from, no matter where Nigerian men and women come from, no matter where LP or PDP they come from, APC they already do their grand work for a very, very long time, even before the presidential election. They don't already put Tinubu say, now him will be, and no matter what, and nobody can bring him down. Now the thing when they play out, because we not see the criteria when they come, they tell us, say, now Bola Tinubu win this election. If not be the full underground mago when they use to manipulate the result. In fact, today, INEC chairman, he's not supposed to be in jail. Of course, he's supposed to be in jail, but he not go to that jail because it's a product of APC. It's a product of the same man when be Bola Ahmed Tinubu. It's a product of Buhari. So, nothing is going to change it and nothing is going to happen. So, the only advice I get for the people when we see Nadan run against this man when be president of Nigeria, Bola Ahmed Tinubu. So, ona go accept the matter as the matter don't be. Because the time when I'm supposed to do what I'm supposed to do, that is the early stage when this thing happen. Una not do anything. Because Ona still knows, say, because all of them are into government, Ona knows, say, this case not they go anywhere. Because now so, then they roll the game in Nigeria. As he sit down there, he don't sit down there. The only chance one I can't take, allow them to inaugurate this man alone. That one alone. Una don't free the man when I talk say now lose election. Now Tinubu is the true winner of the whole game. That is the way it is because the court don't pronounce. But not forget say that only because say somebody like Tinubu or Buhari then their hands they inside this, and that is why this pronouncement by the court go hold water. If to say now opposition when, for example, court can't cite them. At the end of the day, they will still come back again. Because the ruling party will still manipulate to make sure, see, they're not, those people, when they pronounce, say, I then win that election. See, they not enter there. You know, because say, I then get power, I then get everything. So, as them talk, so it be. So it be. So, when I go forget about Supreme Court, forget about every other thing, and they move forward. But don't still expect anything in 2028 because it's still going to be the same people. Now, All of them now, Bola Tinubu team now, then they master the game. Remember, say everybody won't work for Buhari, see they work for Tinubu. That's so it be. So all of them, they master the game now well against 2028. If not Peter Obi won't come again, come fight too. Then go fight the fight, then go fight them well. And Peter Obi is not still going nowhere. Because these people, they are corrupt. Peter Obi is not going anywhere. Nobody is going anywhere, even in 2028. No, just they predict that one. They tell on her again. That 2028, they don't still conclude them. Now still them go run the show, because still say that then win the election. Look, that is why there was a video when I uploaded yesterday. When I come to tell them, I say, oh, now when be politicians in Nigeria, no matter the team or the political party, when you there, as APC they rig, oh no, go they rig. That is how to do the thing. This will not be time again when people will not go come and say, oh, we want free and fair election. Because you can never ever see any free and fair election in that country. So, finally, make we talk about waiting the court due to Peter Obi, Atiku, Abubakar, and other political parties when they involved in this matter, ladies and gentlemen. The matter be say, not be say, then disqualify these people alone, no. Court not just disqualify them and allow them to go scot-free. No. They're not a go scot-free, ladies and gentlemen. The court don't hold them. Say they must to find these people some millions of naira for deceiving Nigerian people. I mean, for deceiving Nigerian people and for bringing in that case to the court at all. So they call slam fine against this group of people. Somebody like Atiku Abubakar and his PDP criminal members. Then LP. Then you get another one what they call APM. So it get amount of money when court find them, say them waste them time to carry, even try to bring up that case when they know say they not get any substantial evidence against Bola Ahmed Tinubu and his criminal gangsters. Gonna be APC people. So for Peter Obi to even open mouth say in the court on the PD people. And this group, what they call APM, for them to open mouth say, PC can't find them. Say they must to pay big time for the reason, just alone coming into the court or bringing that case. Even the one where they give LP, now come plenty pass because they say those bosses when LP bring come, say, those bosses can use and deceive Nigerian people. Can they claim say na them win election? Why they not get any tangible evidence at hand? Okay, the ones what they call the political party what they call APM. That one they slam that one 13 million plus. Then PDP they slam PDP 23 million plus. And while these people what they call Labour Party. LP, they can't slam those ones 47 million plus. And they can't warn them, can't also give them just 48 hours to pay all this money into the consolidated account of the Court of Appeal. Okay? Made them pay the money, and this account, therefore, where do they call Central Bank of Nigeria. Now they say, make them go pay the money put. Imagine, just to chat, because see, you challenge the sitting president. Everything, ladies and gentlemen, now are you. Based on this thing, when we talk about the Court of Appeal, they not give any tangible